Good morning, class. In this screencast, you will see how to do your homework for today, which is May 4th. So after you logged into your online classroom and then clicking on CLB5 Afternoon English class, scroll down and click on Teacher Messages, click on Tuesday, May 4th, and read my message for today. So there's this video here you need to watch in order to see how to do the tasks for today. And today's homework is on the ESL Library website. The deadline for your homework is tomorrow at noon, so always pay attention to the deadline when you need to submit your homework. Now to go to ESL Library website, you need to go back again, and you need to scroll down. So before you've done some tasks on ESL Library website, and I have sent you your username and password for this website, but if you don't have it, please send me an email and I will forward them to you. So click on this link here. All right, then you need to enter your username and password. Okay, that was the wrong password, I believe. Hopefully this one's correct. Perfect. Okay, so now you are in your classroom on the ESL Library website, and this is your homework. So it's about present perfect, and pay attention to the due date or the deadline, which is May 5th, tomorrow, 12 p.m. at noon. So click here. Okay, so as you scroll down, you will see the tasks that you need to do for today. Start with the first one because there is a video introduction here which you need to watch. So click on start. Always read the instructions before you click start. So here it says watch this video introduction on the present perfect tense. You click start and you click here, you watch the video. It's okay to pause the video in the middle, take some notes if you like, and then move on. When you're finished, you click on finished. And you click back to assignments. Then you click on the second task. The second task here is just some grammar notes. So please read this carefully. We worked on this yesterday in our class. You can read it carefully, take notes, or just take pictures, and then click on finished. Again, back to assignments. Now click on the third task. Always read the instruction first. So this task is asking you to complete the sentences with the present perfect form of the verb. So there's an example here too. Brian, the verb is walk, on the Great Wall of China. The answer is Brian has walked on the Great Wall of China. So click start. You can type your answers here. She up Mount Everest. So, the answer is she has hiked. If you need to go back to the grammar notes, you can just click here, view reference, and maybe you can just double check, or maybe you need to read this again to find the answers. And then you go to the next sentence. There are 9 sentences here, as you can see. So you go to the next. So say you finish all your sentences, then you click submit. And then again, it asks you, It says you missed some answers. Well, I'm not going to answer all of them, but you should. And then you click submit. Now, as you can see, my score is not very good. It's only 1 out of 9. So if your score is not a good one, you have to try again. All right? So click try again and you do the task again. But if you get a good score, you click back to assignments. You can also review your answers. So you can see which one you did correctly, which one you did not correctly, and you can see what the correct answer is. So you can do that, all right? Then you can try again the task if you didn't get a good score. But if your score is okay, you click back to assignment. Then the next task will be similar, I believe. This is forming questions. So click start, and then you write some questions. I'm going to go back. And so yeah, they're all the same. I'm just going to click on the last one. Please don't forget to read the instructions first and then click on start. So I didn't read the instruction. It says, let's do it again. So write 10 sentences about the places you've always wanted to see. Use the present perfect with for and since. For example, I've wanted to go to Spain since I was a child. For the past 5 years, I've dreamed about going to Hawaii. So when you click start, you need to write your sentences. Where is this place that you've always wanted to go? So I've always wanted to go to Paris since I started learning French. There are 10, so you have to write 10 sentences, and then finally you will click, I don't know if there's no submit button here. So when you finish the task, when you finished all of these tasks, you're done for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. So don't forget, the deadline is tomorrow noon. You can log out here. That's what you need to do for today. All right. Have a good day.